Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can assign a ringtone to contact on your Samsung Galaxy M34. So first of all, you have to open the phone dialer and then move to the contacts. Right now you have to pick one of it, for example this one, and you have to click on this information icon, then click on the edit button, click to view more. Okay, it looks like Samsung removed this option from here, so we have to go for the more and then tap to change ringtone and vibration. Select the ringtone, and right here you can find a list of the default ringtones, and if you want to get the custom one, you can pick this custom ringtone from your music folder. And then click done, go back, and as you can see, we set it up. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.